Need a better way to meet online? This video introduces 8 top virtual meeting platforms to help teams communicate, collaborate, and work remotely. Part 1. What is a virtual meeting? What are the types of virtual meetings? What is a virtual meeting? A virtual meeting lets people connect online from different locations without a physical space. Common types: webinars, web conferences, screen sharing, audio calls, and video meetings. Part 2. Top 8 virtual meeting platforms. Top 1. Zoom. Shipped with a host of features, Zoom not only works as an AVI video editor, but also be used for hosting meetings, games, and other online activities with Teams. It is accessible through a browser, even if your attendees don't have a Zoom account. Top 2. Skype. Much like Zoom, Skype is one of the decent virtual meeting platforms, with many amazing services. Beyond that, it offers web conferencing and language translation capabilities. Top 3. WebEx. WebEx, designed by Cisco, is an online meeting platform preferred by numerous entrepreneurs. Similarly, it brings its users video conferencing, screen sharing, online meetings, and webinars. Top 4. Microsoft Teams. With Microsoft Teams, users can enjoy an open workspace, join a virtual meeting, send files, and share screens on a virtual background. When you go to the Microsoft Shop, start with the meetings that come packed with Windows and Microsoft Office. Top 5. Around.co.as. One of the outstanding virtual meeting platforms, Around.co is loved by extraordinary teams. It makes hybrid remote inclusive with remarkable audio technology. With this platform, remote team members feel like part of the group by engaging in the meeting like being there. Top 6. Google Meet. Google Meet enables secure video meetings through a browser without downloads. It supports screen sharing, cloud storage, and extended meetings with paid features. Top 7. BlueJeans. BlueJeans can play functions on conferencing, file sharing, whiteboarding, and annotating. It assists its users in tagging business-critical moments, marking event highlights, and assigning actions. Top 8. GoToMeeting. Despite not being the best virtual meeting platform, GoToMeeting is proficient at highlighting presenters' screens, sending out automatic recordings, and personalizing meeting URLs. Part 3. How to stream virtual meetings from Android or iPhone to PC. Fluent. Need to manage meeting recordings on a larger screen? Screen Mirror lets you stream your phone to PC or Mac for easy viewing and editing. How to use. Download and install the program on your computer, run the utility and link your Android device to this PC via USB. Choose your device and opt for transfer files. Enable Android screen mirroring. Turn on developer options and USB debugging. Allow permissions, then start mirroring your phone to PC.